हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ग्रेड अप। कैसे हैं आप सब? सो एवरीवन ज्वाइन फास्ट। सो वी आर लाइव नाउ। सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू लाइव? जस्ट पिंग इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। हैप्पी अग्रवाल, कौशिक दास, महंतेश, अगलिया, राहुल पाल, उपेंद्र. So everyone join fast so that we can start the session, that is percentage and profit loss. So here we will learn some concepts as well as some important questions. So everyone join fast. Whoever are live, just ping in the comment box. Okay, motivation mania. My name is just Dixit. Okay, so I'm just taking 1 minute. So everyone join fast. Then after that we will start the session. Hello Shyam, Sagar, Sharvani, PG, Sagar, Gouda. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. Okay, Sharat, Nanu, Bhavdesh, motivation mania. Okay. I'll try my best. Rakesh, Raza, Sibbu. Okay. So everyone join fast. Okay, many of you join. Keep going. Hello. Kaushik, Macworld. Good evening. Ashok, thank you. Okay, should we start now? If everyone ready, just ping in the comment box. Should we start now? Okay, see students, so topic of today is that is percentage, okay, and profit loss. So what are the concepts? First we will discuss some concepts, okay, then we will solve some questions at that thing, okay. So here we are going to discuss first percentage, then profit loss, then we will solve some questions, okay. Percentage, what is percentage? We all know percentage means out of 100. In some simple term, we can simply say what is percentage? That is out of what? 100. Yes or no? Okay. Now, there are some fractional value which you should learn and you should remember always for solving the questions of percentage. And those are, okay students, those are, just hold on for that thing. Just this not erasing this thing. This is not range. Just hold on students for just 1 minute. Okay, let's leave this thing. We'll simplify the things first over here because the rubber is not working, so that's not an issue. Hello everyone. Okay, so see students, here I am writing some fraction value. So 1 equals to how much? So 1 equals to how much? That is 100%. Okay students, so 1 equals to how much? That is 100% in the fraction terms. 1 by 2 equals to 50%. This is the basic thing you must know. 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 equals to 33.33%. Okay, here 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 equals to 25%. You should know these things. 1 by 5, so 1 by 5 equals to 20%. I'm just writing these things for you. 1 by 6, that is 16 whole 2 by 3%. These are basic things you must know. 1 by 7, that is 14 whole 2 by 7% or 14.28%. 1 by 8, that is 12.5%. Some basic thing we are discussing first. Okay, 12.5%. And here 1 by 9. Okay, so 1 by 9 equals to 11 whole 1 by 9% or 11.11%. Okay, 1 by 10, that is very simple term, that is 10%. 1 by 10. Okay, 1 by 11, that is 9 whole 1 by 11%. That is 9 whole 1 by 11% or 9.09%. Okay students, everyone got the fraction values? So these are the fraction values you must know. Okay, so now if I ask very simple term, if somewhere you have to solve this thing, if somewhere written that is 9 by 8, then just tell me what is the fraction, what is the percentage value of 9 by 8? Everyone comment fast. What is the fraction value of 9 by 8? What is the percentage value of 9 by 8? Can anyone answer me? Okay, what is the percentage value of 9 by 8? Can anyone tell me? I'm just waiting for responses. Okay, very good, Happy Agrawal. Okay, so very simple. See, 9 by 8. So you can simplify 8 ones are 8 plus what? 1 by 8. Yes or no? 1 by 8. We can write this way. Very simple. 9 by 8 equals to 1 plus 1 by 8. That's called 9 by 8. And 1 equals to how much? 1 equals to 100%. Yes or no? 1 equals to 100%. And 1 by 8, you must remember that is 12.5%. 12.5. Okay, that is percent. So 100% plus 12.5%, that is 112.5%. Very simple, you can learn this thing by these concepts. So answer is 112.5%. Very clear? Now, if I ask you, just tell me the percentage value of 9 by 7. Everyone, just try to solve and tell the answer of 9 by 7. What is the percentage value of 9 by 7? Think logically, tell your answer. 9 by 7 in percentage term, what we can write that thing? 9 by 7. Write down your answers in the comment box fast. Ashray, yes, we can also solve the questions. 9 by 7, very simple, that is 1 plus 7 1 just 7, 2 by 7. Yes or no? So 1 equals to 100%, we all know. 1 equals to 100%. Okay, plus 2 by 7. 1 by 7 equals to 14 whole 2 by 7% or 14.28%. Just twice of that thing, that is 28.56%. Okay, because 14 whole 2 by 7% equals to 14 that is 28%. 14.28%. So that is twice of that thing. So answer must be equals to 128.56%. Okay, everyone, very simple. So you got the main thing, that is percentage fractions value. That's the main thing for the percentage. Okay, so let's start some questions. Okay, very good, very good. Everyone clear with this thing? Okay, now if I ask you very simple term, okay, let's start with some questions. And you have here the first question. Try to solve this thing. This 2012 question, 2 marks, set 2. So these are the basic thing you just solved. Now tell me the first question of today's class. You have 30 seconds to solve this question. Just tell me your answers. Everyone, the data given in the following table summarizes, okay, the monthly budget of an average household. This is food, clothing, rent, savings, this much. The approximate percentage of the monthly budget not spent on saving is, okay, the approximate percentage of the monthly budget not spent on saving is. Everyone try to solve this question very fast. See, very simple. The approximate percentage of the monthly budget not spent on saving. So first solve what is spent on savings. Then we can simply simplify this thing. Now, what value is spent on saving? We can simply say that is 1500 is spent on saving. Yes or no? Whole divide by. Whole divide the total value. Okay. So here the double zero. Very simple, double zero. All the terms are double zero. 8 plus 5, that is 13. 13 2, 13 2, 15, 15 5, 1 carry, 1 1 2, 1 3, 3 2 5, 5 1 6, 4 10. Yes or no? Into what? Into we can sign to 100. Very simple. So this is cancelled out. Okay. So here 15 1s are 15 7s are. Yes or no? So 1 by 7 equals to 14.28%, I have told. Yes or no? But this percentage spent on savings. Yes or no? This is spent on saving. They asking not spent on saving. Yes or no? So what you have to do? The remaining part, that is 100% minus 14.28%. So this must be approximate we can write, that is 86% approximately. Yes or no? So D is the right answer. Okay, Naman Sahu gave the right answer. Okay, Happy Agrawal 92.85, that's wrong answer. Okay, very simple. They are asking not spent on saving. First you got the value spent on saving. After just subtract it, you will get the not spent on saving. Okay, everyone, clear? If you got the concept, ping me in the comment box. Yes, sir, we get it. Next question, everyone try to solve and tell your answer. Share your answers, everyone fast. The next question. Everyone try to solve the next question. If the income tax is increased by 19%, net income is decreased by 6%. Okay, very good. You all are getting this thing. Very simple. Very good. If the income tax is increased by 19%, net income is decreased by 6%, then find the rate of income tax. Everyone solve this question very fast. I am giving you 30 seconds to solve this question. Tell the answer. So, let's see how to solve this question. Income tax increased by 19%. That means 19% of tax. This is the increased value. Okay. Net income decreased by 6%. Okay. So, here we can write 6% of what? Net income. And always remember, how much the tax increases, that much net income decreases. Okay. How much that increases, this much that decreases always. So, this must be equal. Now, what we can do? Simplify the things. Tax upon what? Net income. And always remember, what is net income? That is always income minus what? Tax. Income minus tax, that's always equals to net income. This is the concept. Okay. So, tax upon net income, what we got? Tax 19%. Here we can write that is 19. Net income, this is thing. So, tax equals to 6, net income equals to 19, then what is the income? See, income equals to net income plus tax. So, just add these things. When you add this thing, you will get 25. Yes or no, students? So, income is 25. Now, you can simply get the percentage of tax. Percentage of tax. Just tell me how much tax you are getting. 6 tax, 6 rupees. Okay. At what income? That is 25 into what? 100. So just simplify the things. 25 forza. So 6 forza, that is 24%. Very simple question. So answer is here A. A is the right answer. Okay, everyone. Always remember, how much the value tax increases, that much net income decreases. And this is the formula, or this is the relation between net income, and the tax. Okay, everyone. So right answer is 24%. Okay, you paid 6 rupees tax at the income of 25 rupees. So the percentage of tax was 24%. Okay, everyone. If you get the concept, comment the comment box that you got it. Always remember, the value of tax that increased, that much net income always decreased. Okay, this is the relation. Tax increased equals net income decreased. Okay, everyone, let's try to solve the next question now. I would like to see who can answer this question first. Everyone try to solve the next question. Who is the first to answer for this question? Read the question very carefully and try to solve. And aptitude section is the most important section for the scoring purpose. Okay. This can increase your merit and this can decrease your merit in the exam. And these are very simple if you think logically. And as an engineer, you should think logically. Everyone try to solve this question very fast. A man saves a certain part of his monthly income so that he can purchase a car in 22 months. See, students, he was earlier planning to buy that car in 22 months. Yes or no? Okay. But after some time, find the percentage increment in his savings so that he can buy that car in 18 months. Okay. After some time, he tried to buy that car in 18 months. Okay. Now, let's assume the value of the car, that is 22 into 18. Okay, this is the value we are assuming. Okay, just multiply these things, you will get here. So just simplify here. This is the value, okay, and these are the months. Okay, this is the value and these are the months. So this is the value 22 into 18 lakh, and here the month. So what must be the saving, students? What must be the saving? 22 into 18, that was the value. Months were 22. So what the value he should save? Here 18. How you got 18? 22 into 18, that was the value of the car. In 22 months, he was planning for that thing. So per month saving must be 18. Yes or no? Per month saving is 18. In 22 months, 18 22, he will buy that car. Yes or no? Now, in 18 months, if he is planning, just divide that thing. Here he will get 22 saving. Now, students, earlier saving were 18. Now saving is 22. Okay. So what is the increment in the saving? Increment is 4. So 4 increment with the respect of what? 18 into what? 100. Into what? 100. So here 2 2s are, here 2 9s are. So 2 by 9, I have told 1 by 9 equals to 11.11. 2 by 9 equals to 22.22% increment. That means earlier his saving were 18. Now his saving is 22. How much increment? 4 increment with the respect of 18. Even clear? So right answer is 22.22%. His saving must increase. Very good. Many of you given the right answer A. Everyone try to solve the next question very fast. Who is the first to answer the question? Read the question very carefully and share your answers as soon as you can. Next question, everyone. Who is the first to answer this question? Read the question. I am giving you time. You have 30 seconds to 1 minute to solve the question. Every question. The radius of a cone is increased by y% and the height is decreased by 50%. Then the volume decreases by 2%. Find the value of y. See, students. Okay. I am not giving any answer till now. See. The radius of cone is increased by y%. So what is the here volume formula? What is the formula of volume of a cone? We all know the formula is 1 by 3 pi, what is r square into h. So volume equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here what we can write? See, in 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 and pi are constant. Okay. If there is some percentage change in the radius or that is in height, that doesn't gonna affect by 1 by 3 pi because those are constant. So students, the variable are r into h. Yes or no? R into h. The radius increased by y%. The radius increased by y%. Let's assume that becomes alpha. Okay. That's also alpha because y% increased. We assume that thing alpha. Height decreased by 50%. See, if height decreased by 50%, I am writing that thing. Volume decreased by 2%, I am writing that thing. Now, we can simply solve this thing. Let's assume the earlier volume were 100. If the earlier volume were 100, this radius increased by y%, that becomes alpha. So, alpha upon 100. Because this is r into h, just multiply. Alpha here also. So, alpha by 100. Into this decreased by 50%, that becomes 50%. 50% decreased means 50% remaining. And after that, this decreased by 2%. 2% volume decreased. We have assumed the volume as 100. 2% decrease, that becomes 98. Now we can simplify this thing. So 100 cancelled out. 51s are 52s are. So here alpha square divided by 100 into 2, that is 200, equals to that is 98. So multiply this thing. Alpha square equals to multiply 19600. Okay. So alpha square equals to 19600. Alpha must be equals to 140. If alpha equals to 40, yes or no? If alpha equals to 40, so how much increment you got? So y% must be equals to 40, because if 40% increment, then that will become 140. Okay. So right answer is very simple, 40. Okay. Y% increased and you got the value 140. So 140 is 40% increased value with the respect of 100. Everyone clear? Got the concept? Whatever variable you have, 2 variables, 3 variables, doesn't matter anything. You can simplify if they are in product. Okay? And constant doesn't matter in these things. If that's clear, just ping in the comment box that's clear. I'm just waiting for the responses. If you got the concept, ping me in the comment box. Very good, Shyam. Yes, sir. This is a very good question. Very good question, everyone. Try to solve. I would like to see who can answer this question first. Everyone read the question very carefully and try to solve. Who is the first to answer for this question? Okay, Govind, Alpha, Naman. Okay, very good. Sunny Shivam, very good. Now, I'm giving you 10 seconds more for this question. Ram purchases 6 black and white balls. The price of black ball is 5/2 of the price of white ball. At the time of making the bill, clerk made the mistake and interchanged the number of balls. Due to this, the bill amount increased by 45%. Find why. See, very simple approach how you can solve this thing. Here are black ball, okay, and here are white balls. Now, here again I am writing black ball and white ball. See, 6 black and white ball. Yes or no? The price of black ball is 5/2 of the price of white ball. So 5/2 means here is 5, here is 2. Yes or no? If there were 6 black ball and the price of each ball were 5, so what is the total value of black ball? 6 5s are 30. If there were y number of white ball and the price of each ball was 2, then what is the value, total value? 2y. So this is the value of total black and white ball if they calculate right. Yes or no? What happened? At the time of making the bill, clerk made the mistake and interchanged the number of balls. That means those were 6 and y and he wrote y and 6 interchanged, but the price was same, 5 and 2. So the same logic, multiply this thing 5y and multiply this thing 6 2s are 12. That means this was the right bill and this was the wrong bill. So what they have told, due to this, the bill amount increased by 45%, and we all know if something increased by 45%, that becomes 145%. Yes or no? If something increased by 45%, that becomes 145%. Now here we can simplify this thing as 30 plus what? 2y. Okay, this was the earlier bill, actual bill, that increased by 45%. That means that becomes 145%. Very simple. Equals to what? 5y plus what? 12. Now you can simplify, get your answer, cut by 5. So 29 cut by 5, that is 20. Multiply it. 29 3s are, that is 870, plus 29 2s are, that is 58y. 25s are 100y. Yes or no? And 20, this is 240. So just subtract and get your answer. This is 42y. And just subtract, this becomes 630. Okay. So from here, y equals to cut by 42, this is 15. So the value of y, that is 15. Very simple and logical question. Okay. Who gave the right answer? Govind. Very good. Govind, very good. Bhavna, very good. Bhavna and Govind gave the right answer. Okay, everyone. So just ping in the comment box that you got the concept or not. I'm just waiting for your responses. I hope everyone got the concept. Everyone comment fast if you got the concepts. Very good. Happy, got the concept. Very good, very good. Let's move the next question. Everyone try to solve the next question. Read the question very carefully and share your answers as fast as you can. I am giving you 30 seconds. Okay. So everyone try to solve this thing fast. Everyone try to solve the next question fast. In an election of two candidates, 10% of the people did not cast their votes, 20% of the votes were invalid, one candidate got 25% of the total number of valid votes and is still lost by 1440 number of votes. Find the number of people in the voting list. Everyone try to solve. Shauma is asking how many are this session. That is 45 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. This session will run. Okay, for today. See students, how to solve this question? Very simple. Let's assume the number of people in the voting list were X. Very simple approach I am going to tell you. There are many ways to solve this question. I can tell you all the ways, but what is the best approach I am telling you? Let's assume the total number of people in the voting list were X. Now, if two candidates, okay, there was an election, 10% of the people did not cast their votes. If 10% of the people did not cast their votes, that means the remaining 90% cast. Yes or no? Remaining 90% cast. After that, 20% of the votes were invalid. That means remaining 80% valid. See again, 10% people did not cast, 90% cast. 20% were invalid, 80% valid. Now, one candidate got 25%. Okay, that means first one got 25%. And the total 25%. If the first one got 25%, second will get 75%. Okay, so what is the difference? Difference is 50%. By that difference, the winner will win and the loser will lose. So 50% of all those things will decide the winner and loser. And those number are 1440. 1440. Now simplify, get your answer. 10 9s are 10 10s are 24s are 25s are 51s are 52s are. So let's simplify this thing. X into 9 4s are 36. 10 5s are 50, 52s are 100. Okay, and that's equals to 1440. So cut by 36, that is 40. Multiply this thing, so X must be equals to 4000. The answer is 4000. Okay everyone, so they are asking find the number of people in the voting list. Okay, and those were 4000 number of people in the voting list. Okay. Varun Sharma, very good. Everyone clear? So ping in the comment box if you got the things. 10% people did not cast, 90% cast. 20% were invalid, 80% valid. First got 25, second will get 75. The difference is 50%. So 50%, that's equal to that. If you get the concept, ping in the comment box. This is the first class of this series. Everyone try to solve the next question. Everyone try to solve the next question fast. Fresh grapes contain 80% water. Okay, dry grapes contain 10% water. If the weight of dry grapes is 700 kilogram, what is its total weight when it is fresh? Everyone try to solve this question. Fresh grapes contain 80% water, dry grapes contain 10% water. If the weight of dry grapes is 700 kilogram, what is its total weight when it is fresh? See, in such questions, always remember the weight of pulp is always constant. Okay, pulp means solid part. And by this thing, you can simplify very simple this question. See, fresh grapes contain 80% water. So there is water and pulp in every fruit. Okay, and this is fresh. Okay, and this is dry. Very simple approach I am going to tell you. There are many ways: alligation method, X method, ratio method. So I am going to tell you the simplest way. See, fresh grapes contain 80% water. If there are 80% water, so remaining will be 20%. Yes or no? So water is 80%, pulp must be equal to 20%. Yes or no? Water is 80%, pulp is 20%. In dry grapes contain 10% water. So here is 10%. So pulp must be equal to 90% in the dry grapes. Yes or no? But the weight of dry grapes is 700 kilograms. So 700 kilogram consists 90% pulp. So what is the value of pulp? So cut here 100 to 7, 9 sevens are 630. Okay, that means, see, very simple, that means in dry grapes 630 kilogram were the pulp, yes or no? Now, but we all know the weight of pulp is always constant. That means in the fresh grapes, that's also must be the value of the fresh grapes pulp. That means 20% equals to 630, because the weight of pulp is constant. In the dry grapes, pulp is 630. That means in the fresh grapes, pulp is also 630. So 20% equals 630. So 1% must be equals to 630 divided by 20. So total weight will be 80 plus 20, 100%. So 100% must be equals to, very simple, we can write here 630 divided by 20 into 100. So 25 is a, okay, 6 5 30. So this is 3. If you multiply this thing, 3150. So this is the answer, 3150. I hope you got the concept. Very good, very good. Many of you have given the right answer. If everyone got the concept, ping in the comment box that you get it. Okay, I'm telling you, for every question I can tell 3 to 4 methods, but I'm telling the best approach. But you can solve that thing by many methods, by allegation concept, by X concept, by ratio concept, by simple this concept. Okay, everyone, clear? Okay, Bhupen, Nanu, Sunny Singh, Rahul, Arvind, very good, everyone. And this is the last question of today's class, everyone. This is the last question of today's session. So today was the first session, so I didn't make them so much large, so much vast. I've taken very short session for today. Okay. So if you like it, just like the session and comment if you like that thing. So try to solve the last question. If you like the session, just ping in the comment box that you like the session. Okay, and subscribe the channel. Okay, and like session if you want. Try to solve the last question of today's session. Who's the first to answer for this question? The ratio of the number of boys and girls, okay, who participated in the examination is 4:3. The total percentage of candidates who passed the examination is 80. And the percentage of girls who passed is 90. The percentage of boys who passed. Everyone try to solve, very simple. See, the ratio of number of boys and girls. Here is boys, here is girls. So ratio was 4:3. So let's assume this is 400 and this becomes 300. 400, 300. Okay. So total number of people, 400 plus 300, those are 700. Yes or no? Those are 700. The total percentage of candidate who passed the examination is 80. Okay, this was the total. Who passed the examination is how much? 80. So this is 80% passed. So 8 sevens are 560. That means 560 people were passed. No issues. And the percentage of girls who passed is 90. Girls passed 90. So 90%. 9 threes are 270. So this is 270. So how much we should add in 270 to get 560? So this must be 290. Yes or no? 290 plus 270 is 560. So 290 boys passed out of how much? 400. So they are asking for the percentage of boys who passed. So we can write here 290 out of how much? 400 into 100. 100 ones are, 100 fours are. So cut by 4. 4 sevens are. Okay. 4 sevens are 28. 1 remaining. 4 twos are. Okay. 8, 2 remaining. This is 50. So answer is 72.50%. Okay. Very good, very good. Many of you got the right answer. So this was the last question of today's class. I hope you all have enjoyed the session. If you enjoyed the session, just tell me in the comment box that you enjoyed or not. Okay. So today was the first session. So I have taken this thing not very long session. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed. So ping me in the comment box you enjoyed or not. Very good, very good. Girdhar, welcome. Happy. Okay, okay. We enjoyed. Very good. Sure, sure. Panch. Okay. I'm not able to read your name. Panchkari, whatever your name. Okay. Hanmant. Very good. Naman helpful. Jaideep, very good everyone. Jaideep, sure. In the next session, we'll try to add that question. That's not an issue. Today we covered the mainly percentage part. Okay. Shyam, Bhupendra. You will be notified for that thing. Next session, maybe I hope that will be tomorrow. Okay. Sunny Shivam, thank you, dear. Thank you. Swapnil. Sure, Hanmant. Karan. Same timing, maybe tomorrow class. Okay, you will be notified for that thing. Varun Sharma asking next approach to solve previous grapes question. Very simple, that is. Actually, there is no space. I am not able to run, but not an issue, I can tell you. Fresh grapes contain 80% water, so remaining is 20%, so ratio must be 4:1. You can think in this way also. This is 10% water, so ratio must be 1:9. If you solve by ratio method, there are many ways others also. So pulp is always constant, so multiply this thing by 9. Okay, yes or no? So this 9 4s are 36 and 9 1s are 9. Okay, so 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 must be equal to 700. So 1 must be equal to 70. So 36 plus 9, that is 45, must be equal to 45 into 70. Okay, and you will get this answer. You can solve by ratio also. Okay, everyone. Okay, thank you everyone for joining the session. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.